There is a branch of Vedic astrology called as the mundane astrology or the Madani Jyotish, which also predicts the future of the countries and the future of the global leaders as well. Now, if you will take up the case of the Pakistan, just because lately a lot has been coming in the news that many multinational companies are exiting Pakistan, and from the internal resources only, lot many people within the Pakistan are also not happy that people who are right now in the power are selling their critical mineral and resources, their ports to the foreign powers. So now comes the question that what lies in terms of the future for this country. So guys, if you will go by the mundane astrology, looking at the chart of the Pakistan, they are being strongly connected with the Aries rising. Now Aries is a militaristic sign. That is the only reason the real power within the Pakistan always resides with the army, with the military. Now if you will look at the chart of the Imran Khan, ex-minister who is right now under some political espionage, he is right now in the prison. But Imran Khan has got such a strong planetary alignments. Now, whenever we have to see the right contender for any country, which can actually bring the reform or bright future for that country, we also have to see that how the country's ascendant correlates with the chart of that person. So Imran Khan, if you will go by his birth details, like October 5th 1952, born in Lahore. So based on my calculation, he is born with the Gaj Kesari Yoga, like Jupiter Moon conjunct in the Aries and an exchange between the Jupiter and the Mars. That means he is the true answer for the bright future of the Pakistan. Even he has very strong Venus. That is the only reason he is being favored by not only females, by the masses. Now comes the question that when, as per the astrological period, that possibility is going to be high for that event to happen. So guys, if you will go by the Pakistan's chart, with the Aries rising, Saturn becomes the 10th lord. The next transit of the Saturn scheduled for 2nd June 2027, when Saturn will make an entry on the first house of the Pakistan's chart, where it is going to get debilitated as well. So the way we say that the reversal of the people in the power, in Hindi we use the term Satta Parivartan. There is a high possibility of that with the next transit of the Saturn for Imran Khan to have a comeback. But again guys, only if there has been no assassination attempt on his life when he is behind the prison. So there is a high possibility of Imran Khan's comeback and a bright future for the Pakistan with the next transit of the Saturn in 2027.